In this video, we are going to learn how to solve the chemistry problems under Alkenes. So guys, we have about 19 to 20 repeated questions to practice with. In this video, let's get started. The first question I have here says, hydrogenation of butane yields. So guys, the right answer will be option D, butane. Alright, so hydrogenation of butane will yield butane. Okay, very important. The next repeated question will be this one. It says, what is the main type of reaction alkanes undergo? So guys, it's very simple addition reaction. The reason is that they are unsaturated, so they will undergo addition reaction. The next question will be this one. It says, which of the following compound exhibit both structural isomerism and since trans isomerism? So it will be an alkane basically. So the right answer would be this option A, which is butane. Alright, so that's it for this question. The next question will be this one. It says 2 moles of hydrogen gas will react completely with 1 mole of. So guys, I've seen this question before, so the right answer will be option B. When you express this on paper, you're going to see that this compound here, which is an alkyne, will be the answer to the question, option B. So the next question will be this one. It says geometric sense trans isomerism is exhibited by. So the right answer here would be, it will not be an alkane, like option B and option C, they are alkane, so it can be alkane don't exhibit geometric isomerism. So the right answer will be this option A. Guys, when you spread this on paper, you're going to see that it will be option A. Take note of this question. The next question will be this one. It says alkanes undergo the following reactions except substitution reaction. Okay, so alkanes don't undergo substitution reaction, they undergo addition reaction, they undergo hydration, polymerization. So they undergo the following reaction except substitution, option B. So the next question will be this one. It says consider the reaction represented by the following equation. X and Y respectively are. So the answer will be 18 and ethane, option A. So that's it for this question. The next question will be this one. It says the reagent that can be used to distinguish ethane from ethyne is, so is very easy guys, is our ammoniacal silver triosonitrate 5 solution. So that will be the answer, option C. Take note of this question. The next question will be this one. It says, what is the relationship between the compounds represented by the following structures? They are, so geometric isomers. Yes, that's the answer. So this is how geometric isomerism is expressed in organic chemistry. So that's it for this question. The next question will be this one. It says, which of the following statements about X and Y below is correct? So they are geometric isomers. Yeah, that's the correct answer to this question. Alright, so the next question will be this one. Guys, before I attend this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel for more of these videos. Really appreciate this. So this question says, which of the following organic compounds would decolorize bromine water? So the right answer is benzene. Alright, option A. That is for this question. The next question with this one. It says, what is the IUPAC name of the following compound? So this is our but1N. So if you check, we have 3 carbon atoms here, so this shows that it already but already, so this is but1N. Alright, so that's it for this question, and this is an alkane and not an alkane, so it's but1N guys. The next repeated question will be this one. So it says alkanes can be manufactured by addition of hydrogen to unsaturated vegetable oils. No. The combustion of alkanes. No. The cracking of hydrocarbons. Yes, so that's the right answer. The next repeated question will be this one. So it says ethene is produced from ethanol by ozonolysis, dehydration, decomposition, hydrolysis. So it's by dehydration, option B. The next question will be this one. So it says, what is the IUPAC name of the compound with the following structure? Alright, so guys, this would be, we have 3 carbon atoms, so this will be our If you check, we have two methyl groups attached to this compound, so this shows us that this will be 2-methyl prop 1-ene. Yeah, so because of these 3 carbon atoms involved, so you already prop, so it will be 2-methyl prop 1-ene. Option B is the right naming for this compound we have above. So the next question, this one, it says which of the following can undergo both addition reactions and substitution reactions? So it's benzene. Option A. Very important. This question oftentimes gets repeated. The next question will be this one. It says when SS18 is shaken with acidified potassium manganese 7 solution, the product obtained is, so it's going to be our ethane 1,2-diol. Option B, that's the right answer. Take note of this question. The next question with this one, it says which of the following is which of the following hydrocarbons is unsaturated? So the one that is unsaturated will be, it won't be propane, it won't be ethane, so it won't be alkene basically, so it will be benzene. Option C. The next question will be this one. It says 18 undergoes mainly addition reaction because it is, so it's obvious unsaturated. Option C. Take note of this question, guys. The last question I have here before I end this video with this one. It says the formation of 18 from dehydration of ethanol can be described as elimination reaction. Yeah, so guys, that's the answer to this question. Not oxidation, not addition, not substitution. So the formation of 18 from dehydration of ethanol can be described as elimination reaction. Yeah, option A. So guys, this is basically can do problems involving alkenes for your chemistry practice with 19 to 20 repeated questions for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, once more ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button, where you'll be getting premium information of help you to excel in your SNE exams that you'll be writing. Alright, so having done this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.